What are you worried most about right now? What are the things that give you the most pause as a leader of this fragile planet?
Hubris. There are things that are worse than what we are going through, and it's bad enough, and that is war, that is confrontation. And I think that what is conducive to war and confrontation, where people suffer, where economies suffer, and from which it takes forever to get back to a healthier, safer environment, it's war.
When we talk about hubris, are we talking about, is that all the leaders are so much in their own head, in their own space, and don't care about the collective, or is it something deeper than that?
Well, hubris is very, very nicely shared around the world, I would say that. And public interest is often forgotten and is often ignored. So I think, one of our duties and one of your duties in the function that you have, Ian, is to remind all of us that there is public interest, and that's, policymakers, governors, members of institutions need to constantly remind themselves that they're here to serve public interest.
What needs to change that you think is plausible that'll make us feel more optimistic that the global trajectory has improved?
Confidence is going to be key.
Confidence in the economy, confidence in your leaders, your institutions?
Confidence in the institutions, confidence in the governance that we choose for ourselves. And if those governances need to be improved and need to be changed, then it's going to be for political leaders representing their constituents to actually address that issue. But it's, if anything, this crisis has proven that we are not in a national crisis. We are not in a regional crisis. We were and are in a crisis that knows of zero border, knows of zero differences in the color of your skin or in your sexual preference. It's going to hit you and me and anybody else for that matter. So it requires global responses that can be universal.